Hi Elaine, just been looking at some of your work. This one here, what's happening in your answer is you've mixed up plussing and multiplying. Multiplying is kitchen whiz, plussing is looking for those similar animals. Here we've got similar animals, DQ, DQ. 6 of them plus 2 of them is 8 of them. What you've thought about is you've added the 6 and the 2, which would be correct, but then you've thought about D times D and Q times Q, which is incorrect. It's 6 DQ plus 2 DQ is 8 DQ. If I just look at another one of your questions, I suspect it's the same problem that you're having with all these. Plussing, you're looking for similar animals. No kitchen whizzing here. So MB, MB. Now a BM and an MB are the same animal. So you've got 10 MBs, but a B is a different animal. Yeah, you're thinking about plussing and kitchen whizzing, but there's no kitchen whizzing here. They are just looking for like terms. Alright, let me just find one more. You've actually got this one right, so that's good. Sorry, you haven't got it right. You've got the first part, not the second part. So this looks correct. 4 XF. Oh, 4 plus 4 is not 10. You know that. Let's just view this mistake. What's going on here? Again, there's no kitchen whizzing. It's looking for the similar animals. Can you see any HQs? No other HQs. So that's going to be in the answer, 4HQ. Look for the constants. You can take 8 minus 3. That's 5. So 5 will be in the answer. And these guys are similar animals. Minus 9 plus 5. That's minus 4Q. Okay, so the answer is going to have 3 things in it. It's going to have some 4HQs, it's going to have plus 5, and it'll have minus 4Q. Hope that helps. Hope you're having a good day. See you tomorrow.